Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. In this video, I'm going to show how you can rescue your Windows when you got in a trouble, or in the future if you get in a trouble like your Windows is corrupted, you are not able to access your PC. This setting is very useful for you. So how you can enable this setting? Go to this PC. Let me show you how you can resolve the issue of we are going to back up the registry file inside our Windows. Open the Windows, then System32, press S like this, System32. Then we need to look for config, this one, config. Double click on this folder. Once we are in a config folder, you can see the registry files and the config files here. You can see here the data of those files. So how we can back up this? Go to resback option. Now you can see this folder is empty. Okay, now this will help in the future when your system is got corrupted. So this step is going to help for you. Now in the resback we can see no file and folders here. It is empty. It is disabled by the Microsoft by default. So you need to enable that, and you need to back up your registry all the files. Like in my case, my Windows is working fine now, so I can back up all the files. When I needed these files and folders in the future, I will able to access the resback and repair my Windows. So how you can enable these folders? Go to start menu, then type a res edit to open the registry editor like this, or you can press Window plus R button together and type regedit. Click on yes button when prompt opens. Now once we are in a registry editor, double click on the H key local machine, or you can expand it from side. Okay, then expand the option system, double click on it, then expand the option current control set, double click on it. Now double click on the control. Okay, now look for session manager, scroll it down in a S series. This is the session manager, double click on it. Now look for configuration manager, this is the option, double click on it and come to right side in the blank pane, right click on here, new, then click on dword 32-bit and type here enable. E should be capital, periodic, E should be capital. Now backup, B should be capital, and hit enter. Okay, now we have created the key. Once you created the key, you need to double click on it, or you can right click on it and click on modify option and then set its value to 1. Okay, set its value to 1, click on OK button and now close all the options here. I will give the path into my description box, or you can see on the screen as well. Now close this and restart your system. So let me restart my system, then we will perform the further steps. Now I have restarted my system. Let me show you the file and folders inside the resback. Open C drive, Windows, System32, config folder. Now click on the resback. Now you can see all the files which are the config files are here, but there is no data on the files and folders. So there is no data in these files. So how you can enable these files and folder to backup your all the Windows? Like these files should be there: system, security, system, this one, and driver default. These 5 files are in the resback option. You can see here Okay, so how you can transfer the data into the Rashback option? For that, open the task scheduler, click on it. Now, once we are in a task scheduler, expand the option here, then click on the Microsoft, expand this option and look for Windows, expand this option as well. Now look for registry in a R series. This is the registry. Now you can see this is the registry backup. It is ready now, but it's not running. You need to run it. You can see the button here, run it. Okay, now it's running now. You can see the status. You need to wait for some time. The all data will be transferred to those files which we have created in a backup, so that you can use those files in a recovery. Now let me show you in the C drive. Let me refresh this. Open the Raspback again. Now you can see there is a data inside the files here. So how you can back up these files, and this is updated in a 10 days. So you can use this option to rescue your window when your system is got corrupted. So hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching Out of Fix Tech.